Daffodil Summary. Daffodil is written by William Wordsworth. In this poem, the poet tells us about the beauty of nature. One fine morning, the poet was walking in the countryside, freely like a cloud. He saw a large number of golden daffodils along the bank of a lake. They were shining and dancing in the air. The whole scene was so thrilling and fascinating that the poet felt very happy to see the view of daffodils. The beauty of that scene was saved in his memory. He can enjoy their beauty as if they were in the reality. It felt an everlasting effect on his memory. In addition, the poet has used various other images, similes, metaphor, hyperbole, and personification to enhance the beauty of nature. The language of the poem is simple, but the ideas are great. In short, it is a lovely poem about the beauty of nature. A thing of beauty is a joy forever.